Well guys, a bit of time has passed.
Yeah.
Last time we left you was at the outside of that pin shop. We didn't really do much more. Went to Florida Mall, had something to eat, picked up a few bits from there. Then we went to round by the Mall of Millennia. Emma picked a lot of makeup up. In fact, I'll show you a little bit now. So this was Emma's haul. You ladies out there will probably recognise some of this, and you men, you know the joys of this makeup shopping. But the pins, Emma got a few pins, but I thought I'd show my pins from this haul. I got some more from the other time we went, but here's some of the ones that I got, and here's some of the badges. And I got a little little ornament of the Disneyland Castle, Disney World Castle. That was only $3. These were all $1 each, and these were a range of prices, but they weren't too bad. But yeah, got some stuff. We're now getting ready to go to Citywalk to meet everybody for a nice meal. But yeah, it's been a good day. It's been a hectic day. Obviously went to Hollywood Studios this morning, but it's been we got some stuff that we wanted. Emma got some Starbucks stuff that she wanted. Would you like to model this stuff down? She looked at about 4 or 5 Starbucks for this, but she's got it. And what is it?
It's all about the pumpkin spice lattes. It's just instant pumpkin spice latte, and I bought 3 boxes of it because once it's out of season, I've got some.
So yeah, I think shopping wise that's all we're going to do now. I mean, there's a couple of bits from university I want to pick up. Like, I want to pick up some of the Jurassic Park 25th anniversary stuff.
And we've just got to get a couple of things from Disney Springs.
That's about it, but we haven't really bought that much. We bought a lot, but it's small things. Like, it's mainly been clothes, which is unreal for us, especially for me. But yeah, but we're going to meet everybody now. Emma's quickly got changed, I've freshened up a bit. But yeah, on to Citywalk.
No. No.
What?
No.
Oh, okay. Why are you upset that
You've been nasty to me.
Oh, okay.
Please watch your step.
Watch your step.
The moving walkway exit is approaching. Please watch your step.
Right, so tonight's meal is again at Bubba Gump. People have arrived. You got Lisa from Ree's family, you got Zoe, you got the boys over there with Jamie, you got Dean, Terry, Emma and Simon. So yeah, we're all gonna have a nice little YouTuber meetup abroad here. So look forward to this.
You pick the that's alright. Forrest Gump loves one girl all his life. What's her name? Yeah, I am not a crook. Okay, and then he has 2 best friends in the army. What's their names? Lieutenant Dan and Bubba. Bubba, very good. What rank is Lieutenant Dan? Lieutenant. Yes, he is lieutenant. Very good, very good. Well, Forrest is in the army. He gets shot where? No, he gets shot in Vietnam. While in Vietnam, he gets nipped in the buttocks. What side? Right cheek. Right cheek? Left. Left your crack away. Right. Okay. You guys focus. Focus. You guys like put your head down. Okay, what's the best thing about being shot in the buttocks? The best thing about being wounded in the buttocks is the... Okay, it's on here somewhere. What's it say over there? What's the only good thing about being wounded in the buttocks? Ice cream, Lieutenant Dan, yeah. What sport does he play in the army? Ping pong. Against what country? China. China. And how do the Chinese say ping pong? Ping pong. That's racist. Just ping pong. Just ping pong. Yeah, at least he didn't do this. Okay, he gets out of the war, buys himself a boat. What's he name it? Denny. What's he name his second boat? Jenny. How about his third boat? He's got 12. Okay, what kind of shoes does he run in? What's his favorite drink? What's his favorite soda? No. Wouldn't you want to be drink 23 flavors? You go to this when you're sick. There you go. And I just call it out. And when he drinks 15 of them, what's he say? What's he say when he drinks over 15 Dr. Pepper? I got pee. I got pee. That's what he said. I got pee. Okay, 2 sayings. Stupid is as stupid does. Yeah, and then Mama said life was like what? Because you never know what you're gonna
get. So I've gone for the Mama's Southern Fried Chicken, mashed potatoes and broccoli, and it comes with a side of gravy.
Right, what I've gone for is, I can't remember the name of it specifically, but it's one of the combos and it's new. It comes with a half a rack of ribs, some grilled shrimp, fries, and that gherkin was Lisa's gherkin. So yeah, looking forward to this. But everybody's got everyone's got their food, and it all looks very good.
Jim Bubba Gump, this is my new best friend Jimmy. He's turning 27. Let's give him a round of applause.
Yeah.
Right there, we're gonna do a little song. Someone give me a beat. Now you can sing happy birthday.
Right, Bubba Gump's over. We've got our souvenir club. The guy who was our waiter, my God, he was amazing. Everyone agreed how amazing he was. So I can't remember his name, but he was amazing. So I'm going to put a picture of him in now, with us obviously, so now. He was amazing. He made the experience a lot better. Obviously, being with everybody was amazing enough, but he just made that so much better. So, yep, the YouTuber Citywalk meal is over. But now we're heading towards the... Where are we going?
Starflyer, are you coming on?
I don't know. I'm going to judge it when I get there. But we are now all moving that way, out of Universal. Right, so we've arrived at Pointe Orlando, or round by the wheel, because some people, and I don't know if I'm doing it yet, are doing this.
What are you gonna do, Ash? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? You've done it! He's braver than I am because I wouldn't do it.
I'm not drunk enough. Right.
Right, everybody's driving to come to Starflyer.
Go on, Ash, you can do it. Your inheritance.
That's why I'm giving you my wallet.
Look at his face. Look at that face.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the flame out, you can't get to me. Throw your sticks and your stones, go break all of my bones, you won't ache my soul, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
skate park. It started going like that. You have fun?
Amazing.
Did I have fun? Yeah, it's a blast. Let's do it again. I'm not doing it again.
I'll go up again.
I'd go again.
Yeah.
I'll go again.
Ashley's like, no. Man.
You going again?
No, I'm not.
So Ashley's going on it for a second time. There he is. Woohoo!
She's like looking breakfast, isn't he?
No.
Chloe's not queen, isn't it? I know she is.
Look at his face.
Bless him. Don't look down, Ashley! Don't look down!
Let's do it. Got tunes this time as well. Didn't have any tunes last time. Where's Ashley? Here we go, ready for round two. This time it's night time. Let's do it. Woo, here we go. Here we go. Woo!
But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out. You can't get to me. Say what you wanna say. Go take it all away. But I'm here to stay. No, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade that I can tear away. Shoot me down, go fire away, away. But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Right. I've been on it twice. The first one I didn't like. Not gonna lie. I was crapping myself. I think the height and the stupid thing I did was, as soon as I got to the top, I looked down. Worst thing you could possibly do. So yeah, I was screaming, I was yelling, I was saying stuff that should not be repeated on camera. But second time wasn't as bad. I actually looked out, and I must admit the views out there are amazing. You can see Disney, you can see Universe and everything. The only bit I didn't like is when you come down, you pick up speed and the wind takes you, and my swing was twisted. But for someone who was crapping themselves throughout the whole thing, I would recommend it. I'd recommend the Starflyer at Pointe Orlando. It's something. But those that Simon, Dean and Zoe, they are going on it again. These three are lunatics. But this thing is rapid.
Yeah, we're not laughing about
But I did it.
I'm proud
You
of
did it!
you.
Woo-hoo!
I've done it.
I'm proud of you.
I can say I've done it. Would I do it again? I'll do it again, but I'd make sure that I've had a few drinks before I go on it again. But, yeah.
That's a good battery, so we've got to be quick. Quick. So we just wanted to say a big thank you to all of us lot for appearing tonight.
Thank you.
And
for their last night as well. Apart from Jamie.
Yeah, so we're going home tomorrow.
Vlog on vlog.
So thank you all guys for a good night.
Safe flight to all of you as well.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow at Hollywood Studios.
Bye. Right, turn around.
Last take.
Right, short and sweet.
Do you want to be in front?
It might help.
Where's Emma? You're part of this.
This is your vlog.
Yeah, if we do one more vlog.
What? Right, great night with these guys. Unfortunately, Terry and Dean have got to go home tomorrow. We're going home Wednesday. And Zoe's going home tomorrow too.
10 more
And Rob.
days for us. Woo-woo.
Ah, cut them out.
Yeah. We've had a great night with these guys. Thoroughly enjoyed it. We didn't want it to end, but yeah, we're going to end
Look
this
at the
vlog.
idiots in the back, damn it.
Right, we're going to end the vlog. Thank you very much for watching, and bye-bye. Bye.